Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card or Apple gift card on the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to wear your Apple Vision Pro. Then you will need to go to the Apple Store so you can redeem your gift card as you are doing in the other devices such iPhone or Mac. So basically, we need to go to the home view. To do so, you will need just to click on the digital crown of your Apple Vision Pro, or you can just go to the control center and search for the apps. To go to the control center, you need just to fix your sides on the top until you see this arrow. Then you will need just to tap on it and it will give you this uh, menu here. Then you will need just to tap on these apps and then it will take you to the home view. And basically now all you need to do is to go to the App Store and tap on it. So basically you need just to look at App Store and then just pinch with your finger so you can click or tap on the App Store. After that, you will need just to follow these steps of how to redeeming your Apple Gifts card or App Store and iTunes Gifts card. To do so, you will just do as you are doing on the iPhone or iPad, and as you can see, you can do it also on the Apple Vision Pro. And basically, you will need just to search for the digits code on your gift card, and then you open your App Store app, and then you will need just to click on your profile picture. And in the case of Apple Vision Pro, you will need just to tap on it. And then basically, you will need just to find the redeem gift card on the menu, and you will be able to redeem your card. So basically, this is how you can redeem your card using the Apple Vision Pro. Thank you for watching and see you next time.